Okay, here we are for the next video. We're going to move over to the dinette booth area. There's the plug for the dinette booth area. It's the furnace. It is gas with 12-volt motor, so you can run it with no 110 power. The table does let out down into to make a bed, and lays on these boards here to make the bed. Okay, it's a freestanding table. It will move. Here's the top part, along with the bed. So this makes one bed here, where these back cushions will go onto the table and make your bed. This is a hanging rack for clothes. Okay. Light there. Carbon monoxide detector there. Smoke detector there. It does have the night shades in it on the windows. Okay. Going to move to the bathroom. This is the outside of the bathroom door. Okay. This is inside the bathroom. It does have a nice 9x9 blade fan vent. Sucks air out. Okay. Little hanging thing for your shampoos. There's your toilet. There's your shower. So you got everything all in one here. A sink, toilet, and your shower. It's all in one spot here inside the door. Alright, we're going to move to the next video.